Greetings from a completely new beach and completely new lake that I'm showing you for the very first time on my channel, Beach Adventures with Kris. This is Nedre Rudasjön, one of the two lakes, as this is the one that's called Nedre, or the south one, and there is one more lake after a few hundred meters in that direction. And I am here today after the race of Tjurruset, that is through mud and different forest things across country. So I did run that race. I had a very good time, but I wasn't part of the fastest group actually, so I was forced to slow down a bit at a few locations. But it was a nice race, and now it's time to take a swim also here. So the race is still ongoing for the 10 kilometers race, as there is both 5 and 10. And this is a nice sandy beach, I would say, here at Nedre Rudasjön. And it is only 11 degrees Celsius in the air, so, and quite windy, so it feels like a lot colder than that. And we're gonna see how much it is in the lake. I just can't believe it will be my very first time that I'm gonna swim here at this lake that's called Nedre Rudasjön, located in the RUDAN nature reserve. And maybe not the best day to take a swim, but yeah, I must also do a swim even on a day like this. Let's see, it's a lake, it's a small lake. Can it be that it's already cold? It feels a bit cold, I'm not gonna lie, but how cold it is we're gonna see in a bit. So Tjurruset, it's a cross-country race with mud and stuff, and at the very end you also run in the lake with shoes, which makes it a bit difficult afterwards if you don't have other shoes to change. But yeah, let's then see the temperature. Oh, it is very cold. It is 11.5. We're gonna round up to 12 degrees Celsius. This is a lot colder than the sea actually, now that I think about it. And I'm not sure if you can hear me from the wind, but it blows a lot. Not so much here in the forest, to be fair, but there on the lake it's quite cold. So let's then get going and take a swim here at RUDAN's Nedre Rudasjön, at this sandy beach in this nature over here. Lots of people are walking around and hiking in their winter clothes, and I'm here in my swimsuit. So that's how things are actually. So let's get going and take a swim here at Nedre Rudasjön for the very first time in my life. My hand is shaking because I feel a bit cold from the wind, I'm not gonna lie. It's not so pleasant, but every day is a beach adventure, and on this 4th of October, beach day number 133 on my Sweden beach adventures. So we are going. Oh yes, there's the commuter train, as they call it, pendeltåg, and the closest station here is Haninge, and that commuter train goes all the way to Nynäshamn or Västra Haninge, depending on time or slot, because Västra Haninge is actually the next station, and there are more frequent trains than to Nynäshamn, where you will take the boat to Gotland, one of the largest island in Sweden. Oh, okay, it's cold, it's freezing cold, it's blowing. Not as pleasant as I imagined it would be, but it looks nice indeed, minus the wind. So, are you ready for a swim on this Saturday, 4th of October? Because I am ready, set, and go! Whew. It's amazing. I love it. Brilliant. Very refreshing. Very refreshing indeed. With the wind, it feels a lot colder, I'm not gonna lie. So yeah, with that said, it's time to wrap up this beach adventure from RUDAN, Nedre Rudasjön, and in the beautiful nature here in Haninge this is. So thank you so much for watching this episode with me, and I'm gonna see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Kris.